Welcome back, folks, to another exciting episode of Product Critique. Today, we've got something special lined up for all you Stranger Things fans out there. We're diving deep into the realm of cosplay with the best Dustin Stranger Things costume for adults available in the market. That's right, we're talking about the Dustin shirt Cosplay Dustin Henderson shirt costume summer t-shirt top sweatshirt season 4 outfit party suit for adult kids by NoryNick. Let's get started. Now, if you're a die-hard fan of the hit Netflix series Stranger Things, you know just how iconic Dustin Henderson's style is. And with this costume, you can channel your inner Dustin and step right into the world of Hawkins, Indiana. But what makes this costume stand out from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about the materials. Crafted from high-quality polyester, this costume not only looks great but feels comfortable to wear. Whether you're rocking it at a Halloween party, cosplay event, or just chilling at home, you'll stay cool and stylish in this shirt. But it's not just about the material, it's also about the attention to detail. From the iconic design to the relaxed fit, every aspect of this costume screams authenticity. And with sizes available for both adults and kids, everyone can join in on the fun. Now, let's talk versatility. This costume isn't just for Halloween or cosplay events. It's perfect for any occasion, whether you're heading out for dinner, hitting the gym, or just lounging around the house. Plus, it makes for a fantastic gift for the Stranger Things fan in your life. And let's not forget about the customer service. With NoryNick, you can rest assured that you're in good hands. If you have any questions or concerns, their dedicated team is ready to assist you every step of the way. Whether it's the great quality, accurate sizing, or fast shipping, customers can't get enough of the Dustin shirt cosplay. And that wraps up our review of the best Dustin Stranger Things costume for adults on the market. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. Until next time, stay stylish and keep on cosplaying.